Hi there, Henry Bell here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to target um, not just a zip code, but within certain place, like a radius of 1 kilometer or less than a mile, right? Now, there is a limit to what you can do. Maybe I believe it's like 0.50 or 0.68 kilometers, but there is a limit to it. However, you can, if you need to target a very specific area, it's very possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do so. So um, here we go. I'm gonna head over to the Google Ads screen and then get started. Here we go. So here we are in the Google Ads interface. Go to campaign and then the setting icon. Click that. Once you've clicked that, it brings you here to locations, and you want to click in locations. Great. Now, where it says advanced search, you want to click the advanced search option. Next, switch to radius, and then enter your location, and then enter the you know within the radius. So let's just say from 68, right? Oh, that didn't work. 69 maybe. Let's do 1 mile. Okay, 1 mile. Perfect. All right, 1 mile for this example, and then um, Mall of America is what I'm gonna. Since I'm a Minnesotan, we will do this one. Um, Voila. Okay, so I blurred this out so because of the privacy of my client. But once you do that, um, well, you save it, and then it should be in here. You should see your location in here. And that's really the gist of it. Like I said, save it, and boom, you are targeting that micro location. I hope the video helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me. Or if you like the video, subscribe. I will continue to post more tips. And at some point, I'm not going to tell you when, I am planning to post a full tutorial on how to run your own Google Ads. Now, this is going to be very unique because you will learn how to run your own Google Ads without any keyword research tool. That's right. I figured that part out. Very helpful, but you don't really need them. And I know how to do that. Anyways, that's all I have for you. I hope the video helps. Peace out.